On Gala Igbo today. The Upper Iweka Onitsha. Descending into Onitsha town from Asaba across the river Niger. The travelers wakes up to the reality of the biggest market in West Africa. In few minutes, the popular Upper Iweka welcomes you with the euphoria of business east, west, north and south. To the right is the Chisco Park where buses stop their passengers. Next to it is the relief market where different kind of drinks are sold. To the left is another Chisco Park, the Young Shall Grow Motors and Efesinashi Motors. Upper Iweka was named after late engineer Israel Alobo Iweka, one of the earliest civil engineers in Nigeria. He constructed the massive Iweka Road Onitsha in 1924. At Upper Iweka, when you hear Onwelu Ife Inaragoda, it means, are you understanding anything? Austin Bakeway. Fongala Igbo symbol.